So anyway, my gym, it's at the top of Travelodge in Poole, and it's got a lift that goes. The lift's only got 2 stops, so you've got ground floor and the gym floor. And as I come out of the gym, there's already a young lady waiting for the lift. So I was like, I could just take the stairs, but I've just done nearly 3 minutes on the stair machine. So fuck that. So I said to her, do you mind if I jump in the lift with you? She's like, yeah, no problem at all. So I'm like, good. So I take my phone out, prepared to just stare at that, so we don't have to, acknowledge each other's existence or make any kind of eye contact, anything like that at all. But she has other ideas. She turns to me and says, for a lift with only 2 stops, it's a bit fucking slow. I'm not ready for this. I've got fucking nothing planned. It's completely thrown me out. So now I'm just staring at her, which is weird. So I have to say something. I can't just, this is awkward as fuck. So I say the first thing that comes into my head, which is just, yeah! She is visibly taken aback by the unnecessary yelling. Quite rightly so. So now I'm like, fuck, I should make a bolt for the stairs, because that would be weird as well. Just weird, just go full on weird. But just as I think that, the lift doors do open and she gets in, and I'm like, oh, well, we're here now. So I get in the lift. The lift door's closed. And she decides that she's going to give me a second chance to have a conversation like a normal human being. And she says, I'm always a bit concerned about getting in this lift because it does have a tendency to break down. Now, I'm not getting caught out a second time. I quickly formulate a sentence in my head. And that sentence is, yeah, the lifts in the building where I live are always breaking down, but never a good time for me, like when I'm on my way to work or anything. It's not funny, it's still pretty awkward. But it is 1,000 times better than what I actually said, which was, we've got lifts! She is now utilising what little space we have in this mailbox to be as far away from me as fucking possible. And I agree with her. At this point, I'm sweating profusely. It's got fuck all to do with the piss poor workout I've just done in the gym. I'm praying that the cables snap in this lift and we are plunged to our deaths so she can never tell anybody about this and I don't have to live through it anymore. Eventually, after 9 days, or however long it felt, we do get to the bottom. And the lift doors do open, and I put my head down, and I'm trying to scurry off into the darkness to never leave my house again. But she's just a nice fucking person. She turns and she says, well, I hope you have a lovely evening. So I stop. And I turn. Not all of me, just the top fucking half. Like a normal person. And I look her dead in the eye and I go, I'm sure I'll see you again. Like an absolute fucking serial killer.